Hey everyone, welcome back to Learnify. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cranial nerves. These 12 pairs of nerves play a crucial role in connecting the brain to different parts of the head, neck, and trunk. Let's explore these essential nerves and their functions in more detail. Cranial nerves are responsible for various sensory, motor, and autonomic functions in the head and neck region. Let's break down some key information about the cranial nerves. 1. Olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve is the first cranial nerve. This nerve enables your olfactory system and sense of smell. Many conditions can affect cranial nerve first, including COVID-19, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. It's important to see your healthcare provider for difficulties with your sense of smell. 2. Optic nerve. Optic nerve is the connection that lets your eyes send signals to your brain describing what they detect. Your brain takes those signals, processes them, and uses them to construct the picture you see. 3. Oculomotor nerve. The oculomotor nerve, also known as third cranial nerve, is a nerve that controls the muscles that move your eyes. It's responsible for most of the voluntary and involuntary functions of the eyes. 4. Trochlear nerve. The trochlear nerve is the fourth cranial nerve and one of the ocular motor nerves that controls eye movement. The trochlear nerve, while the smallest of the cranial nerves, has the longest intracranial course as it is the only nerve to have a dorsal exit from the brainstem. 5. Trigeminal nerve. The trigeminal nerve is a pair of cranial nerves that send and receive sensory and motor information from the brain to the face and vice versa. Trigeminal nerves help your face recognize pain and touch sensations, as well as heat and cold. 6. Abducens nerve. The abducens nerve or abducent nerve, also known as the sixth cranial nerve, is a cranial nerve in humans and various other animals that controls the movement of the lateral rectus muscle, one of the extraocular muscles responsible for outward gaze. It is a somatic efferent nerve. 7. Facial nerve. The facial nerve, also known as cranial nerve. 7 is a nerve that sends signals between the brain and the face. It's responsible for many important functions, including facial expressions, talking, tasting, and tear production. 8. Vestibulocochlear nerve. The vestibulocochlear nerve, also known as 8 cranial nerve, is a sensory nerve that controls hearing and balance. 9. Glossopharyngeal nerve. The glossopharyngeal nerve is the ninth set of 12 cranial nerves. It provides motor, parasympathetic, and sensory information to your mouth and throat. Among its many functions, the nerve helps raise part of your throat, enabling swallowing. 10. Vagus nerve. The vagus nerve, also known as the vagal nerves, are the main nerves of your parasympathetic nervous system. This system controls specific body functions such as your digestion, heart rate, and immune system. These functions are involuntary, meaning you can't consciously control them. 11. Accessory nerve. The accessory nerve is the 11th paired cranial nerve as it has a purely somatic motor function, innervating the sternocleidomastoid and trapezius muscles. 12. Hypoglossal nerve. The hypoglossal nerve is a motor nerve that controls the muscles in the tongue, enabling speech and eating. Understanding the functions of these cranial nerves is crucial for diagnosing and treating various neurological conditions that may affect them. In conclusion, the cranial nerves are essential for maintaining proper sensory and motor functions in the head and neck region. By learning about these nerves and their functions, we can appreciate the complexity of the human nervous system and how it impacts our daily lives. If you enjoyed learning about the cranial nerves, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more intriguing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.